How to trade Trendline Breakout profitably, guys. This might be the only video you need to trade Trendline Breakout profitably. All right, so in this video, guys, I'm going to show you the simple, straight to the point strategy on how to position yourself in trading every breakout you can see in the market, irrespective whether you are trading stock, crypto, forex, or indices. Now, if you want more of this content, guys, please kindly subscribe and share this video with your friend, as this might be helpful to every struggling trader out there. All right, so the first thing you need to understand for you to trade Trendline Breakout profitably is the fundamental of a trend. All right, so before you put in your trend line like this, you must first understand the fundamental of a trend when a trend set to occur in the market. We've done a lot of video on that. You can check the channel for more content on trendline strategies and all that. But today we are focusing on the breakout strategy, how to trade a breakout strategy. But nevertheless, a trend is set to occur when the market makes an impulse, and after a correction, it continues to make the next impulse. So this establishes a trend in every market. So once we see a market going up like this, you can see an impulse, a correction, an impulse. So because of this, we are now trending. And no matter how far this market goes, our trend line is valid. So until there's a breakout at this point and the market starts dropping. All right, so how will you be able to position yourself to catch this massive move? There are false breakouts, and these false breakouts most times occur whereby they want to panic the sellers or the buyers. So like as you can see here, there are false breakouts, so a confirmation that the trend is broken in a certain direction is whereby you see a close of candle, a bullish close of a candle in a particular direction. For instance, the market has been going uptrend, and here we can see a strong bearish candle that closes below this trend. So that gives us the first signal that the market momentum has changed. So the first thing you need to do once this happens, put a horizontal ray line at the end of this bearish candle. So we put a position, we put a horizontal ray, and we are waiting until the market breaks below this. All right, so if you go out there, you see exactly the market closes below this horizontal. So that gives us a second confirmation that yes, this market is bearish. So all we'll be doing from henceforth is because now we can see the market actually closes, but the candle that actually confirmed this closing is very, very long, so you can't enter a trade at this point. So we need to apply the fundamentals of a trend, and the fundamental of a trend is anytime we see the next impulse, correction, impulse, and at the break of it, we are taking the next trade. So we saw an impulse, a correction, an impulse, so you draw a trend here. So at the break of this trend here, so we are taking the trade, we are putting our stop loss here, and you can see the market actually went in our direction. So we keep doing it. Come here, see the next correction, impulse, so you draw. At this point, we are taking the next trade because this is a counter trend and a breakout confirming the first trend breakout. So we are taking the trade downwards, and if I should open it up, we see exactly the market came and retest the low. So you can see this is a simple concept you can use in any market to trade break and retest. Now, for you to understand it clearly, let's take more example on this BTC pair. All right, so if you take a look on the downtrend, let's see if you can take some trend breakout trade on this. Now, we've seen an impulse, a correction, an impulse, a correction, an impulse. So this is a confirmed downtrend, and the market actually broke at this point. So how do we position ourselves? So the first thing you do is to put a horizontal ray, at the break of this trend, because that was a candle that actually broke the trend. So to confirm it, we put a horizontal ray. So, and we are watching and waiting for the market to close above this. So if the candle that closes above this first breakout candle is not that big, you are permitted to enter a trade here, a buy and a stop loss beneath that candle, and you'll be able to ride the move, which you can see here, and the market is profitable. But where we are focusing our energy, our attention, is the next pullback, because we understand a counter trend is coming. Market will break out. And once the market breathes out at the break of it, that is your trade. It goes up, you breathe out at the break of it, that is your trade. You ride the waves as the market is breathing out. We have a stronger impulse, correction, impulse. Okay, so we have a bigger corrective structure here, which is bigger than this and this. For you people that understand the structure, I remember when we traded this, we are waiting for it to give us this completion, and actually from here we'll be able to still riding the same move, because we know that this is a continuation. This is another 3-wave pullback, but this is a bigger one than this. All right, so for you to trade breakout strategy easily, first identify the candle that closes above the trend. So if I should draw my trend here, what candle actually closes above the trend? We have it here. So you place your horizontally here, and we are waiting for a candle to close above it. And once that is done, which is here, you see the first one that attempted failed, and the second one actually went through. So you take a trade, put your stop loss beneath here, and you ride the wave. And as the market is giving you 3-wave pullback, which is the fundamental of the trend, either you are adding or you are exiting and adding again. That is your trade. That is your trade. That is your trade. That is your trade. You are taking the trade along the line. All right, guys. So this is a very simple concept, which I think if you apply it, if you backtest it, you'll be glad on how profitable you will be in a very short time. Now, if you want to perfect your trading craft, if you want to learn more of this, if you want to learn more of the structures of the market, please kindly contact me by using the detail below this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more content like this.